I want to now tell you about a dramatic deep-sea firefight caught on camera. These operations by the Indian Coast Guard of the Singapore merchant vessel that caught fire yesterday off the Kerala coast. Here's what has happened. Remember the massive blaze that we had seen? Basically a smoke that had come in, a cloud of smoke from that vessel, and that had clearly spread, leading to, of course, multiple flames that we could see, cloud of flames, in fact, on the merchant vessel. But this is where the firefight rescue comes in. Remember, we're talking about the coast, the sea. We are talking about where it's not easy to be able to just rush fire tenders. Instead, of course, our Indian Coast Guard teams are deployed. Look at that, how they are trying to ensure to be at a safe distance and control the fire. This is not easy at all, but this has to be a top priority because this talks as much about whether it's ecology, whether it's the sea life, and of course the danger of what could be in these containers, that the smoke could lead to perhaps a worse consequence and a repercussion of the smoke. Shivani Sharma is joining me for the latest on that. Shivani, go ahead, tell me about the status presently of this firefighting.
Pooja, as we've received the fresh visuals of today, the firefighting operation is still continuing of this Singaporean merchant vessel, and the fires and explosions persist from the midships to the container bay ahead. That's what the Indian Coast Guard has dated us up. And this merchant vessel that is continuously on fire has listed 10 to 15 degrees, and there were around 10 to 15 containers that had fallen off board. They were in the sea, and there are two Indian Coast Guard ships, Samudra, Prahari, and the third one is Sachet. They are conducting the firefighting operations, and along with this, there are air assets of the Indian Coast Guard, the Dornier aircraft that are continuously viewing and conducting the sorties around this whole area where this incident had happened. But this is what we know, that 4 people are still missing, Pooja. 18 were rescued. There were 22 crew members on board.
And right now, of course, the biggest priority would be to control the blaze as well. Shivani, thank you for getting us these visuals. I want to leave the viewer showing you this firefighting operation that's presently on off the Kerala coast. Details on the other side.